Welcome back. Today we have yet a new Bluetooth speaker here to take apart. This one is a JBL Flip 3, so yeah, quite an old speaker and not very interesting, but I always wanted to see what's inside. I always wanted to test the small speakers that are inside, so here it is. Just before starting, two things. The first thing, Happy New Year. This is the first video I'm filming here in 2026. And the second one, I actually finally got two of those small Google Home speakers, the Google Home Mini, so I will finally be able to test those just like I did with the regular Google Home. With that being said, it is finally time to take this thing apart and to open it, and I actually forgot my knife. Here it is. This is quite a crappy packaging, to be honest. This is of course a dead unit, as always. What the actual fuck? What? I'm going to blur this, but she decided to put me a card of her shop. Okay, and some candies. Well, that is the most unexpected thing I have ever got from a speaker unboxing so far. And I actually got that speaker here like 4 months ago, so I'm probably not going to eat those. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this thing is not very clean, but yep, here it is. I actually never had a Flip 3 in my hands, and I think it's very easy to take this thing apart. You just have to put a knife here. And I think you have some screws, but we will actually just figure this out. Okay, let's try this again. Actually, I managed to get inside here. There we go. Okay, like that. And it's supposed to be the same thing here. I think I just did it wrong. But I just cannot... Well, this is also not a proper tool here. Okay, there we go. And there we have it. The small drivers from the JBL Flip 3. Those are just adorable little speakers here. There we go. So here they are, the tiny speakers from the JBL Flip 3. So those are, I think, 1-inch speakers. We have a decently sized neo magnet for such a small speaker here. Some venting on the basket, some venting on the voice coil itself. But yeah, really lovely speakers. I really do not get why some people just like to destroy them or yeah, whatever.
never